What if I told you the biggest SUV Ford has ever built? The legendary Excursion is rumored to be making a comeback. That's right, the SUV so massive it made Suburbans look small. The SUV that could tow a house if it had to, might be rolling back into showrooms as early as 2025. And this time, it won't just be big, it's shaping up to be smarter, stronger, and more capable than ever before. Stick around, because in the next 8 to 10 minutes, we're breaking down everything we know and everything we expect from the 2025 Ford Excursion. We'll cover the design, interior, performance, tech, safety, pricing, rivals, and of course, the big verdict: is the world ready for the return of the largest SUV ever built? Let's be honest, when you hear the name Excursion, subtlety isn't the first thing that comes to mind. This SUV was massive, unapologetic, and built for people who needed a family hauler that could also pull a trailer, carry 8 adults, and still laugh at rough terrain. The 2025 Ford Excursion is expected to continue that legacy. Built on the F250 Super Duty platform, this SUV is rumored to stretch beyond a 140-inch wheelbase, which would make it even longer than today's Expedition Max. That means when this thing rolls down the highway, everything else including the Chevy Suburban and GMC Yukon XL is going to look small. We're likely to see plenty of inspiration from the latest Super Duty lineup. Expect a bold, blocky grille with Ford's signature C-clamp LED headlights, wide fenders, and a squared-off body that's less about aerodynamics and more about raw presence. And honestly, that's the point. This isn't an SUV trying to look sleek, it's trying to look unstoppable. Throw in massive wheels, flickly 20s or 22s on, a tailgate stamped with Excursion in all caps, and you've got a vehicle that's not just transportation. It's a rolling statement. If the exterior is all about intimidation, the interior is all about domination of space. The original Excursion was famous for one thing, above all else: room. And in the 2025 version, we're expecting that formula to return, only smarter. We're talking 3 full rows of adult-sized seating. Not the good luck back there third row you'll find in most SUVs. In fact, early reports suggest even the third row will have serious legroom, making this the kind of vehicle where no one fights to sit up front. Cargo space: forget about it. The Expedition Max offers around 121 cubic feet of cargo space with seats folded. The Suburban gives you 144 cubic feet. The Excursion, it could very well cross the 150 cubic foot mark. That's enough to haul your family, their luggage, a couple of dogs, and maybe even a small motorcycle in the back. Tech will play a big role too. Expect Ford's latest SYNC for infotainment system, with either a standard 12-inch touchscreen or an optional 15.5-inch vertical display, digital driver displays, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium audio system, possibly a Bang & Olufsen setup, should all be on the table. Higher trims will almost certainly bring luxury appointments, leather seats, ambient lighting, panoramic, moonroof, heated and ventilated everything, and a cabin that feels more like a luxury hotel than a truck-based SUV. Here's where things get really exciting. If the Excursion is coming back, it won't settle for a single modest engine. It's expected to share powertrains with the F250 Super Duty, and that means serious options. The entry level could be the 6.8-liter V8, offering plenty of grunt for everyday driving. But the real story is the 7.3-liter Godzilla V8, one of the most powerful naturally aspirated engines in its class. We're talking 430 horsepower and 475 pound-feet of torque. That's more than enough to move this massive SUV with confidence, even when it's fully loaded. And then, of course, the legend, the 6.7-liter Powerstroke turbodiesel V8. This is the engine for people who want to tow a cabin cruiser, a horse trailer, or maybe even another Excursion. With over 1,000 pound-feet of torque in some configurations, the diesel would turn the Excursion into the ultimate tow rig, all while offering better highway fuel efficiency than you'd expect for something this big. Paired with Ford's 10-speed automatic transmission, these engines promise a blend of power and refinement. And with 4-wheel drive available across the lineup, plus possible off-road-oriented trims, the Excursion won't just be about size, it'll be about gun-anywhere confidence. The original Excursion was built for the early 2000s. This one, it's stepping into 2025, and that means tech is front and center. Expect Ford's latest driver assistance suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring that covers trailers, and automatic emergency braking. The 360-degree camera system will be a lifesaver when parking something this massive in the Costco lot. There's also a strong chance Ford includes features like Pro Trailer Backup Assist, which allows drivers to maneuver a trailer with a simple dial instead of awkward steering wheel inputs. Combine that with trailer sway control and integrated towing apps, and suddenly the Excursion becomes the easiest massive SUV you've ever driven. In-cabin tech will include multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging pads, and maybe even Ford's Blue Cruise semi-autonomous driving system, allowing hands-free driving on designated highways. One of the criticisms of the old Excursion was safety. It was so big, some argued it was hard to control in tight spaces. Ford seems poised to address that this time around, with modern crash structures, advanced airbags, and electronic stability systems. The 2025 Excursion should be significantly safer. Add in the driver's assist tech we just mentioned, and suddenly you've got a vehicle that's not only huge, but also smart enough to help keep its size under control. Given its Super Duty roots, the Excursion will also be built like a tank. For families who value safety, this SUV could very well be one of the most secure vehicles on the road. When it comes to rivals, the 2025 Ford Excursion is playing in a league of its own. Sure, you've got the obvious competitors like the Chevrolet Suburban and GMC Yukon XL, both of which have built strong reputations as go-to choices for families who need extra space. But while they offer size and comfort, they're still built on half-ton truck platforms, which means they simply don't have the same towing muscle or heavy-duty bones the Excursion inherits from the F-250 Super Duty. Then there's the Jeep Grand Wagoneer L, a luxurious option with plush interiors and high-end tech, but it leans more toward premium comfort than raw utility. The Toyota Sequoia is another contender, especially with its hybrid powertrain and Toyota reliability. But it can't match the Excursion's anticipated diesel, torque, or sheer footprint. Some might even compare it to the Cadillac Escalade ESV, which delivers status and luxury, yet lacks the rugged backbone to pull heavy trailers with the same ease. In truth, the Excursion's only real rivals are heavy-duty pickups themselves. Vehicles like the Ram 2500 or Chevy Silverado, HD outfitted with crew cabs. That's the unique edge here. Ford isn't just bringing back a big SUV, it's reintroducing the only SUV that blurs the line between a family hauler and a heavy-duty truck. Now here's the fun part. Who does the Excursion go up against? Honestly, not many SUVs even come close. The Chevy Suburban and GMC Yukon 40 are the obvious rivals. Both offer huge interiors and strong towing power, but they're built on half-ton platforms. That means the Excursion, with its 3/4-ton Super Duty bones, could completely outmuscle them. The Jeep Grand Wagoneer L is another competitor. It's luxurious, spacious, and powerful, but again it's built on lighter-duty architecture compared to the Excursion. In truth, the only real rivals to a Ford Excursion are heavy-duty trucks with extra seats. And that's exactly the gap Ford seems ready to exploit. So, is the world ready for the 2025 Ford Excursion? That's the million-dollar question. SUVs have gotten bigger, families have gotten busier, and the demand for vehicles that can tow, haul, and carry everyone in comfort has only grown. The Excursion promises to be more than just a throwback. It's shaping up to be the ultimate fusion of heavy-duty strength, massive space, and modern tech. It's a rolling fortress that doubles as a family road trip machine, a tow vehicle, and a status symbol all in one. Sure, it's big. Sure, it'll be pricey. And yes, parking it in tight city streets might be a nightmare. But for the families who need serious space and serious muscle, there's nothing else like it on the market. If Ford delivers on these rumors, the 2025 Excursion could once again redefine what a full-size SUV is supposed to be. Not just big SUV is supposed to be. Not just big.